In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Teachable Instructor dashboard. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your preferred web browser and go to teachable.com. Typing the address directly into the address bar helps you land on the official site and avoid lookalikes. If you plan to log in often, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it quickly in the future. Using an up-to-date browser will also give you the smoothest experience. Once the home page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Log In. On smaller screens, or if your window is narrow, the login option might be tucked behind a menu icon. Expanding the menu will reveal it. Clicking Log In takes you to Teachable's secure sign-in page. Now enter your email and password to sign in to your Teachable account. This is the centralized Teachable login system, which means the same credentials can give you access to your instructor dashboard across the Teachable platform. Be sure you're using the email associated with your instructor role. It might seem simple, but many login issues come from typing the wrong email or having a small typo. Check for extra spaces, verify that caps lock isn't on, and let your password manager autofill if you use one. After you enter your information, submit the form to continue. If everything checks out, you'll be redirected into your account. In most cases, you'll land in your instructor view, where you can manage courses, students, and settings. If you're connected to multiple schools, you may see a school picker or a prompt to choose where you want to go. Select the appropriate school to head into that instructor dashboard. If you ever find yourself looking at a student view, use the account or school menu to switch back to your instructor area. A few quick tips if something doesn't go as expected. If you see an error after entering your credentials, try a quick page refresh or sign in from a private browsing window to rule out cached data. If you're part of an organization that uses single sign-on, you'll notice those options on the login page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts from your provider. And if your account has additional security enabled, complete any verification steps shown. That's all there is to it. Visit teachable.com, click Log In, and sign in with your email and password to access your Teachable Instructor dashboard. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the dashboard page for even faster access next time. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.